How to enable sensitive contents on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. The first thing you need to know is you can't enable sensitive contents via a Telegram app. So you need to open your web browser. So open any of your web browser. Here I'll be opening Google Chrome. Now on top of your screen you can see this search box. So tap on it. Now search for Telegram. Now tap on the very first link and you will be headed to Telegram login page. So simply select your country by tapping on this country icon and then enter your country name. So after entering your country, tap on this phone number icon. Now simply enter your phone number associated with your Telegram account. Now after entering your phone number, tap on next. Now Telegram will send you a verification code on your Telegram app. So simply go back and open your Telegram app. So here you can see I have got message from Telegram app. So open it. Now simply copy this 5-digit code and then paste it on your web browser. So go back and open your web browser again and then type in the code over here. Now after logging to Telegram, tap on this hamburger icon located on top left hand side of your screen. Now tap on settings. Here on bottom of your screen you can see privacy and security. So tap on it. Now simply scroll down. And here you will see this option sensitive content. So make sure you turn this on. To do this, simply tap on it. This is how you turn on sensitive contents on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.